Hey guys, this is Anya. This video I'd like to show you guys about our upgrade packing for the battery module. As you know, we sold many battery module in previews, and we found it is very important to upgrade our packing. Now for the packing, we use the UN packing. For UN packing, there we have UN information of it, and let's to see the details of it. Open the pack. There will have the various gel foam to protect them. And here is the label. Lithium-ion battery module, capacity 114 ampere hour. Nominal voltage is 21.96 voltage. Energy is 2,503.44 watt hour. Made in China, CE. This is the very standard battery module, and each side is with a very strong foam, and also the plastic bag to pack it. This side, the upside, the bottom side is also packed with the foam. You can see the thickness of the carton is very strong. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wallen for the carton. And in this side, it is also print the UN 3480 lithium-ion battery UN labels. The details of it. This is the single packing of it. After the single packing, we will pack the module in the pallet. Yes, like this way, in the pallet. So it is very strong during the transportation. There's won't have any problem on it. So if you have needs for lithium-ion battery, we can provide you the high-quality lithium-ion battery and also high-quality lithium-ion battery packing. If you want to know more details about it, please contact with our sales. Really. Bye.